Points of View Reference Center is a unique database available through Belk Library. On the library's homepage, go to Browse All Databases on the right-hand side of the screen, browse by name, and choose P or Points of View Reference Center. It's just a little bit of ways down the page right here. This database contains over 400 topics, each with an overview or background information, a point or an argument, and a counterpoint or an opposing argument for an issue. Taken together, these three resources present a somewhat rounded view of more controversial conversations. I think that you will also find most of the sources on this site to be quite easy to read and comprehend. On the database's homepage, you can browse by category. So for instance, under animal welfare, if I click on more, then I can see there is an overview, point, and counterpoint about animals kept in zoos and circuses. You can also search for specific keywords within this site. So using the example of assisted suicide, I can see that I am taken to several of the overviews and counterpoints and points that have been previously mentioned. All of these points of view features are material that is unique and specific to this database. Not every topic will yield these features, but the database should still deliver some sources. So for example, if I'm looking at parks for skateboarders, I see that I don't get an overview point and counterpoint feature, but I do get several magazine articles. We recognize the icon of the periodical, and these might be of help as you work to round out source material, and of course magazines would be easy reads. When you find a promising source, make sure to go ahead and grab that APA citation as well as the permalink, which is the link that will always bring you back to this particular entry in this particular database. A goal for your research is learning for learning's sake about your topic. I hope you'll be open to finding out what's out there. And as always, I thank you for your time and watching this video, and I wish you the best of